Hello guys, so you might be wondering how can I make these pole lines, to fit into the this area of the roof. So let's take one for example. I'll be using a line to create this pole line, and when I'm done with that, or shouldn't have used that, I'll set it into geometry method instead of that. So I'll set it as a chained so that it will follow a chained order. So the line keeps moving, it doesn't stop. That's the method I'll be using. Oh, that may not be possible. But let's do something here. We need I think height of 50. 50, that's 2 inches, as we know. 1 inch is 25, 2 inches and 50 millimeters. I press enter, go here 50 again, enter, come down and target this point. I want it to form this pole line signature, that's an X here. So this being done, I'll rotate it, Control E. I think I should drag it first. I'll drag it up somewhere here. I think it's too big. Nevertheless, let's see how it turns out to be. Control E. Yeah, I didn't get that. Control E again. Say from here to here. Good. So you can see that this 50 will be too big for this space. Actually, I think it's 50 that is meant to be there. So the question now is, what do we do? And this here signifies, I think, a slab, but that should be like a roof, that's ceiling board or something like that. So since it's not necessary, I think I can remove it instead. Yeah, I put this during my design, so I think I can remove it and bring this down. So help me God. Control D and then down to this point. This is what it turns out to be. So by right, you should be having something like this, not even this high. But what am I going to do? Just put a line there, because this now is the ceiling board. These are just okay. This is acting as, sorry for that, it's acting as a tie beam. Control Z is acting as a tie beam. So this tie beam is meant to actually stop, I think, somewhere here. Not necessarily supposed to come out here. What do I do now? What do I do? The tie beam should come down through this place. The tie beam should come somewhere here, and then that this should meet this tie beam. And what next? Then we can now officially make the eave for this roof. Let's do that and see what happens. Control D now. Bring it down here. Yes. It means we reduce the size of this. I made this. Well, let me leave it there for now. Bring this here. Control D. That's good. So I'm going to shift this one now higher, so that it will allow this 2 inches wood. Am I saying wood? That's 2 inches. Let me use this. This is called offset edges. You use it to, it makes all the lines to move at the same space. Offset edges, this point, so that this is a pole line, so that the pole line will be able to pass through this place effectively. So that being done, I think I can bring this down now using that same method. Good. And me bringing it down, let me put it here first, but I need to make a space for the roofing sheet. Let's say something like, is it up to 1 inch? 1 inch roofing sheet. Okay, that's the thickness. Let's say it's 1 inch, which is 25, right? Something like this. Even though it's not actually 25, this is just an approximate. says 29 here, but here says from here to here is 25. So I want it to be 25 right here, not just here. So how do I do that? We'll minus 25 from 29, which is what? 29 minus 25. That's 4, right? Good. So Control Z. We take it as 20. Okay, let's say. Sorry. Let's go back to what I did before. Then drag it by minusing 4. Good. So from here to here should be 25, right? Oh, I made a mistake. 29 minus 25, right? It's supposed to be 4. Nevertheless, we can still push it 1 millimeter upward again. So we have gotten that. The distance is from here to here 25, right? Y from here to here, we can now check what it is. Here to here is 22. Okay, it's 22 that will give us. So we do also for this side. Let me check this place too. Here to here, 50. It was 45 before. To make it 50, we add 5. 50. And here, so how many did we drag this again? That's 22. So we'll go back here, drag it up to 22 again. Good. That's what we have. So later on, I will. Am I actually getting this right? Normally, when we hit the tie beam and the rafter, it should have an intersection. So that was just my assessment. And take note, this spread for the eave is 2 feet. That's 600 millimeters. So this, I think this is how it's meant to be. I think so. Okay. But after that, I will amend this so that they align well. So this was the reason all these adjustments were made. So now I'm going to move it, Control D, a particular distance. Having done that, I'll do my Control G, Control U. I want to drag it and spread it as many as I want, and this is the spacing between each of the Purlin that will appear. The spacing should be around, let's use that 600. What do you say? Or should we use 500 millimeters? Let's use 600. That's 2 feet. Right? 600. Say okay. Now let's start. You see this? I think 600 is too much. 600. Let's use 1 inch. Sorry. Control G and U. And you can see that 1 feet is 300. So okay. Dragging it from here to get here. I see all of them. Take one here again. I'll drag to this side a copy straight ahead here, and I will mirror it so that it will align very well here. Control G U 300. Okay. We go up again this side. Go up again this side. That's it. That's it. That's it. So that's it. Well, thanks for watching until this moment. Now you can see how this is actually done for the roof carcass. I just created the pole line here, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. God bless you.